Hey folks, Alan Mandic, the Hot Rod Hippie here. In this bonus video, the folks over at Sunex Tools sponsored a look at this 14-piece angled wrench set. So let's check it out. Now this 14-piece angled wrench set is, well, it's a big old set. This is one of those things that I always looked at picking up from the tool trucks and I could just never bring myself to do, because on a tool truck you're looking at $400, $500, $600 for a set like this, and it might not even be as complete. However, with Sunex Tools, you've got a far more reasonably priced set that is really complete. This goes from 3/8 of an inch up to 1 1/4 with 14 wrenches in this set. Now the set that I have is the 9914. There's the A revision now, an upgraded design that they recently released, which has a stronger design with a V-groove type jaw that grips a little bit better on nuts and bolts than maybe this set will. However, I haven't had a problem, and I've been using this set for about a year now. These are of course drop forged alloy steel wrenches with a chrome finish on them so they won't rust and you can clean them up easy. The star of the show when you're looking at a wrench set like this is the 15-degree and 60-degree angles on each end of the wrench. It gives you that open end that can reach into different situations. I never really thought that I needed to have an angled offset wrench set like this. However, I have found a lot of use for it since I've gotten it. Sometimes reaching up under dashboards, up behind AC boxes, as this picture here shows, it's just hard to reach things in a proper fashion. This angled end allows me to get in there and get onto a nut or a bolt around a corner that I wouldn't be able to reach otherwise. These also really shine when you're talking about suspension work, such as alignments on front ends of cars, or maybe adjusting the 4-link bars or panhard bars and rear suspensions of vehicles. These also have the sizing stamped on both sides of the wrench, so whichever side you pick up, you'll be able to quickly identify which wrench you're working with. And I said these are reasonably priced, and I really meant that. The MSRP is about $120, but you can find these on Amazon right now for $56.70. That's 1/10 the price of something like a Max set. The tool roll allows you to easily organize things and not take up a ton of space. If you want to roll it up and stick it into maybe a mobile toolbox to take with you or into your actual tool storage, you can go ahead and do that with this set. Or you can even use the eyelets and hang them up on a tool hutch on the wall in your shop for easy access off of a pegboard. The choice is up to you. There's also a 14-piece metric set that goes from 6mm to 19mm, and that set is $50.60. I'm going to throw links in the description down below to Sunex's website so you can check out all the products they have on offer for you, and as well as the actual Amazon link to these wrenches. If you want to pick up a set for yourself, they're really a handy wrench set. They're shorter than some of my other wrenches, so maybe they're not the strongest, highest torque application wrenches I could use, but they just allow me to get into situations that other wrenches wouldn't allow. I would recommend these as an add-on to your regular wrench set. You know, your combination box end wrenches are not going to allow you to get around a corner like these will with that 60-degree angled end. Pick these up at the link in the description down below. Thank you to the folks at Sunex Tools for sponsoring this video. Go ahead and drop the video a like if you found it interesting. Let me know in the comments down below, what do you think of these angled wrenches? You're going to pick up a set for yourself, and subscribe to keep up to date with all the Hot Rod Hippie content. Thanks for coming around, folks.